What's up, y'all? In this video, I'm going to show you how to figure out your Bluetooth audio settings on games like Halo and Warzone. I had problems with Windows 10. I upgraded to Windows 11, and I'm having the problem again because I did a factory reset. Everything's good until you try to go into multiplayer. Let's see if it keeps doing it. See here, I hop into multiplayer. All of a sudden, I have no sound. So we're going to fix this together. I have these headphones here. They can plug into the aux, but it's kind of quiet. I just don't like the quality of the sound. For some reason, the Bluetooth is a little bit better. So what I'm going to do, hold on, let me take away that way you can see. You don't need to see my face. I'm going to go to Control Panel. Under Hardware and Sound, View Devices and Printers. And this is my headset here. So I'm going to right click it, go to Properties, and click on Services. And this Handsfree Telephony thing, you definitely do not want that checked. So I'm going to apply that. Hit OK. All right, now we're going to multiplayer. And we are good to go.
Our forces have seized the enemy flag.
And so there you go. That fixes the problem. This will work for other games as well. I had the problem with the Warzone. So if this helped you out, please like and subscribe. And let me know if it worked in the comments or if it didn't work. That way I can see if I can help you out even further. Thank you.